Today we have a very exciting day discussing about transnasal scope, and in particular the Fujifilm new transnasal scope. And we discussed about the potential advantages of the transnasal scope versus the traditional endoscope.
I think it's very important that the technique of transnasal endoscopy is promoted and people are more aware of it, and that they're aware that it's a safe, effective alternative to standard OGD. It's also very cost effective as well.
This is a course whereby we don't just provide didactic lectures, but we also demonstrate cases, give patient experience, but also importantly give a hands-on feel to our delegates.
I think it's important to realise that despite complications being quite rare, for example nosebleeds, epistaxis, there will be one situation where you might need a little bit of assistance. So it is important to have that chat with your local ENT surgeon from the very start.
Overall, it's been a great programme. It's been really interesting. It's been a lot of consolidation of knowledge and some also great hands-on experience. It's been a really well-taught session. It's been very enjoyable, and it's provided me with a lot of opportunities to gain more experience.
It was really important, actually, very exciting for me to come and attend the course, because in my unit we are a pediatric unit. I work in a pediatric hospital, so we haven't tried this before, and we are just setting up a trial now. And it will be the first trial actually in Europe.